California wants your dirt bikes and they want them gone. And they have a time frame to do it. If you haven't seen, this is from dirtbikelover.com. There's a California executive order something or other 9.23.20 blah 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 blah. I'll leave in the description below if you actually want to go and read it. That California wants to ban off-road motorcycles or off-road dirt bikes, whatever you want to call it, by the year 2025. And we're not just talking 250s. We're talking everything. Apparently all dirt bikes, all off-road riding. And let's just say in terms of the motorcycle industry, the dirt bike industry, off-road riding, whatever you want to call it, California is a massive place for this. You've got tons of headquarters for gear companies or part companies. You've got racing teams who are headquartered or located, whatever you want to call it, in California. And also just from Supercross, there's 2 or 3 rounds every single year that happen in California. So I understand the point of it, like let's save the planet and all that stuff, whatever. It's just going to be one of those things that, like, one, the enforcement of it is going to be hilariously hard, because if some guy takes his truck and goes with his dirt bike out to some single track out in the middle of the woods and whatever, you're going to have to, how are you going to enforce that? You're going to have to pay a ton more police or wildlife or whatever you want to call them, enforcers, to go and track these people down. And it's just going to be one of those things too. It's like, okay, what, somebody has their own land. Are you going to tell them that on their land they can't do this with their own space? And I don't know. It's going to be, of course everyone hates on California for being as green and whatever, woke and whatever you want to call it, as you can say, but there is a petition apparently to stop this, I guess. I mean, it is 2025 is a long 2035, sorry. 2035 is a long ways away, obviously being 11 years from now, 12 years from now. But if it does happen, it's going to screw a lot of things up, and it's going to, I mean, personally, I think California's going to lose a ton of money from it, because obviously if the motorcycle industry has to move out, and let's say they go to Florida, just for giggles, because that's where most teams are located otherwise. It's a lot of money moving from one state to another, and never good when one state loses a lot of money. But in the comments below, you tell me. Obviously, this is a long time in the future. Do you think this is actually going to be something that happens? Or whatever it is, comment whatever you want below. Because personally, I think it's kind of stupid, but, whatever it is. Comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.